This na Pidgin newsman about and reporting. Eka look back for Lagos State don arrest the musician Azeez Fashola wey be Naira Marley say because he go the event for Abuja when government yarn say make people not gather past 20 person for inside the country because of the coronavirus. As Lagos State Special Offence Mobile Court for Oshodi don fine am wey be Naira Marley and the manager 100,000 so because say they break the interstate travel ban June this year. Bayelsa Ekolokpa don start to dey find the cultists there wey go buy 4 people come burn house for inside the state on Wednesday, August 15, and around 11 p.m. on Wednesday, wey the cultists dey enter Lion of Judah Church for inside Azikoro village, Yanogwa, local government area Bayelsa, and na the talk person of Ekolokpa command wey be SP Asinim put swap na yarn this talk. The talk person of Ekolokpa command of Ogun State wey be Abiola Oyeyemi don yarn August 60 say they don arrest one traditional ruler wey be Rashid Sholabi. Say because he dey chop a 15-years-old pikin kpeku since when he dey 11 years old, and na the pikin na him go report go give Ekolokpa to say papa don scatter him kpekus finish o. Even the thing don even affect where she from the peace. Facebook don remove the post wey US President wey be Donald Trump put on top Facebook say because in yarn say e get some people wey say COVID-19 no fit catch, and na lie information be that too, and e dey against Facebook rule. The Southwest chapter of Independent Petroleum Marketer Association of Nigeria don tell all their people them say make they start and increase the price of fuel go reach 150 naira per litre. The United States Command don yarn say the terrorist group wey be Islamic State, Al-Qaeda, Boko Haram and Al-Shabaab say for the last 5 years say they don close more than 9,000 schools for inside different countries, even inside Nigeria. The Nigerian army don pursue one soldier wey carry belle after wey some Mumila boys dey rape her wey she dey travel go Osogbo for your state. But the lawyer don come out come yarn say him client the way they pursue say dey wrong o, and him believe say army dem go call her back. Chief Nwodo don yarn say they go support Nnamdi Kanu for the fight of Biafra if they not give Southeast Presidency 2023. The United Emirates don yarn why they suspend visa to give Nigerians na because of the COVID-19 pandemic against speculation of plenty bilateral relations between the two countries. Come continue come dey yarn say the visa wey they don give people before and the visa of people wey say they stay for Dubai go expire next week. Rwanda don yarn say they don dey use robot to dey protect their doctors the way they treat COVID-19 people there, so the doctors dem no go dey do touch body with the patient dem. And na the health minister wey be Daniel Ngamije na him yarn this talk on Thursday. Some people dem on Thursday don go remove or scatter the roof of Edo State House of Assembly for inside the video wey Channels Television share, and na just under 24 hours wey they remove the deputy speaker wey be Yekini Idiaye. The Presidential Task Force National Coordinator wey be Sani Aliyu don yarn on Thursday say Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority, the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, and other agencies and even other airlines they say may they start international flights. This na Pidgin News Network with a yarn Pidgin English, and na me man about an MC Nehe na dey yarn so make una get better day.